Hi, it's me, Wendy, aka the ThriftySewist, and I got scammed. Are you ready to see what actually friggin' came in the mail? I pulled this out of the mailbox. I was like, I didn't order anything. That's weird. And it says it is coming from online seller. So I was like, I bet this is my storage cabinet. So, ready to see? I already opened it because I wasn't positive. The address it came from said nothing about the name of the website that I had ordered from. If you're new here, if you're catching this video and don't know the whole story, let me back up really quick. I ordered from a website. I'm going to put the name here on the screen. Do not order from this website. A storage cabinet. If you've ever heard of Dreambox, I will find a pic on their website and post it here. It's basically a storage cabinet that has just a ton of storage. It's a huge cabinet. It's, marketed, I guess, towards crafters. It has all kinds of shelves and bins and all this stuff for storage. So there was this website who was selling basically a duplicate of that for only $50, and I fell right for it and I ordered it. I have been tracking the shipping. After I ordered it, I did not get any type of order confirmation. I did screenshot my order, but you should always get an email confirmation of your order. So that was the first sign that it was fishy. Then I kind of Googled the website and it said, don't trust this website, all of that. So I figured I had been scammed. Then I did receive a tracking email. So even though I did not get any type of order confirmation email, I did receive a tracking email. It was coming from China, even though the website had said made in USA and shipped from USA. And I have been tracking it. So in my last update, I said that on January 17th, it was showing in Los Angeles and it had stopped moving. Today is January 24th. And I did check it and it is still saying in Los Angeles. So here we go. Ready for the big reveal? I know, you're on the edge of your seats. Here is the size of the package that I received as my storage cabinet. But wait, are you ready to see what's inside? I don't think you're ready. Put your guesses below. What do you think it is? Let me show you the size of the package again one more time. Here's my hand for reference. Comment below. Let me know what you think it is. I'm really interested to know. Okay. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna have really clean teeth. It is a package of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 toothbrushes. I am very prepared. So, yeah. So, again, I cannot be 100% positive that this is my storage cabinet order because the package says online seller. It does not say the name of the website. But here is how I'm deducing that this is the package. Well, A, I didn't order toothbrushes. B, it's in all Chinese, so it probably came from China. C, I tracked it with, there's a USPS tracking number here on the envelope, and I went to the USPS website, and it doesn't show me any information about like who the shipper was or anything like that. However, when I looked at the history, it started in LA, which is where the China tracking number ended. So even though it was a different tracking number than what I got in the email, I mean, come on, that it has to be it. It has to be. So I got $50 toothbrushes. Yay! I did already contact my credit card. I did file a dispute today, January 24th. They told me it can take up to 60 days to investigate the dispute. We'll see if I get my money back. I don't know. If I don't get my money back, then, you know, it was my stupidity. So at least it wasn't $150, right? So yeah, that's the story. I hope that you all were very riveted and as interested to see what I received as I was. I think that's all I got for you. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of my $50 purchase. And I'm going to insert a clip of some Happy Mail I got yesterday to end this video on a good note. Okay, bye. Hi. This is very exciting. I have Happy Mail, and I didn't ask for it. This is only the second time I've gotten unsolicited Happy Mail, and I am so pumped. Maybe delayed Christmas cards? Valentine's cards? I really don't know. So let's open them together, shall we? Okay, let's start with this one. This is from Autumn with Budgeting After 40. I got my letter opener thingy. Yeah, not sure what video you all are going to see this in, but hope you're having a good day, night, weekend, whatever time it may be. All right, let's see. Oh, look at how sweet. Look at the confetti. This is a paper hug and happy Valentine wishes. So cute. Wendy, happy Valentine's Day to you. Just wanted to spread a little joy your way and bring you wishes for the new year. May your craft game be strong. Debt light and friendships growing faster than you can count. Cheers to you, Autumn. Oh, thank you so much, Autumn, for thinking of me. That's so sweet. And I love this little confetti. It's like so cheery and fun. Thank you so much. All right, next we have confetti. Not confetti. We have Happy Mail from the one and only Liz and Les. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so this might be a delayed Christmas card. Let's see. Wendy, I love you. I don't know how else to explain this. Thank you for always making me laugh when you forget something in your videos. It endears me to you even more. Or is it you to me? I don't know. Love, Liz. Thank you so much, Liz. That's so thoughtful. If you've seen my videos before, you know I always forget something every single time, pretty much. I'm trying to get better at it, but we'll see. Thank you so much. Love that. All right, and last but not least, I have an order here from Reinventing Renee. So this is something I ordered. She recently added some new items to her shop, and I just had to have them. So let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. First of all, I'm just a little bit speechless because look it. I so saved $50. Oh my God. With the cats. Oh my God. I just can't. I love these so much. I don't have words. I know that she must have made these just for me because of the sewing, and that is, I just don't, I don't have words. That is just amazing of her. And I love these so much. Oh my God. So much. Thank you, Renee. That is so amazing. And look, budget nerd. Woo woo. And 50s, I always need 50s. I know, like, for whatever reason, a lot of people don't use 50s, but I do. So they will definitely come in handy. And wait, look at this. Here's proof. Love you, nerd. So Renee loves me. I have actual proof in her own handwriting. All right, so here's what I ordered. How does this open? Okay, so first thing I ordered was this scratch off envelope in A5, because you know now I'm all about the A5. And this is so cute. And I do have an envelope, a scratch off envelope, but it just says scratch off, so it's nothing special. And this is just the perfect kind of icon for scratch offs. So that's gonna go in my binder. And then I also ordered the Shut the Box envelope, again, A5 sized, because I do have her Shut the Box savings challenge, even though I haven't started it yet. I think I am going to start it though this week in my savings challenge video, because I just can't wait anymore. I want to play it. So there's that. And then I also ordered the 3-pack. Oh, it looks like she maybe put in a couple extras. Let me see. I ordered maybe, yeah, I think these were what I ordered. I think I ordered a 3-pack, but there's 5 here. So it looks like she maybe gave me 2 extras, which thank you so much. That's amazing. Okay, so we have sword drill, find the verse, save the number mentioned in the verse. Some have several numbers, pick one or all. I love that. Small accomplishments, so for a small budget. And then this is, it says big dreams, big money. So these are big amounts. So this one's going to make me nervous, but I still want to try it. I might have to do like half and half of a number I scratch or something like that. We'll see. And then another sword drill. This one is a mystery one, and it does say small accomplishments on this one as well. So again, small numbers, and then another big dreams, big money. So thank you so much, Renee. I love it so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. And thank you, Liz and Les. And thank you, Autumn at Budgeting After 40. I am so... You all don't know what this means to me. I mean, seriously. Just to get mail, just to, you know, be thought of. It just makes me feel so happy and so good inside. And yeah, I don't know. I gotta go. All right. Bye.